Hi everyone, it's Heidi with WTI. Do your cookie sheets need a refresh? Mine sure did, and I chose this Gorilla Grip cookie sheet for baking because they were non-stick and they have a nice edge all the way around, so things don't slide off, which is good when you're roasting things like veggies and potatoes or just reheating pizza. I love that the edge has a silicone grip, so I don't have to worry about the pan slipping out of my hands, especially when it's hot. And the nonstick is just so good. It makes it so easy to clean. It's recommended for hand washing, and it is so easy to wash it with dish soap and water. I am so pleased with this Gorilla Grip cookie sheet for baking. It makes baking and cleanup so easy in my kitchen, and that's my point of view.